Hi, I'm Zoe, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Today, why does your AI photo edit come out oversharpened and how do you rein it in? You run a photo through an AI enhance or push a sharpening slider, and instead of crisp, it looks crunchy, hard edges, glowing halos, gritty skin. Here's why, and how to fix it. Most AI enhanced tools push sharpening and local contrast hard by default. It looks impressive in a thumbnail, but up close, it's simply too much. And global sharpening hits everything equally, the edges you wanted, but also skin, smooth skies, and the out-of-focus areas that were meant to stay soft. The tells are consistent, bright or dark halos hugging high-contrast edges, amplified noise in the flat areas, and skin that's gone gritty instead of smooth. The fix is restraint and precision. Pull the amount back, sharpen selectively. Mask it to the eyes and the real edges, not the skin or sky, and do it last, at output size, not early. So over-sharpening is almost always too much global sharpening, usually an AI default making the call for you. Sharpen gently, locally, and at the end, judge it at 100%, and you get crisp, not crunchy. For more real-world AI photography tests, visit aiprophotography.com.